Chris White.
This one.
Thank you, sir. Well, this was my first attempt at scroll saw. And I did it because my husband said I couldn't.
I told her it was too tough.
Don't move, they're trying to get the camera on.
Oh, I saw him doing his, and I thought that looks cool, it looks easy. But boy, was I wrong. It's all birch, so it's all one type of wood, and then minwax stains. And I think I broke 4 blades, maybe?
Yeah, no more than that.
Yeah. At night, I hear him in my head, let the saw do its job. And it's all hand sanded because I'm not good at the mechanic, or whatever those saws are. What are they? Are the sanders? Power sanders. Couldn't do it, so it's all hand sanded, but it was lots of fun.
What's the white? Is that,
It's a white stain.
oh, it's white stain?
Yeah, white minwax stain. It's all minwax.
Okay.
And I just, like if I wanted it darker, I just did 3-4 coats.
Okay.
And it's on birch plywood. And hammered a frame together. It was fun, it was interesting, and I did it.
Would you do it again?
Probably not my thing, no. No, but it was fun.
It's up to what Bob says.
Yeah. Yeah, it depends on what you